Residents in Thailand's southern province evacuated from buildings due to tremors of an 8.7 magnitude earthquake. Thailand's National Disaster Prevention Centre issued a tsunami warning for 6 southern provinces along the Anadaman coast on Wednesday after a huge earthquake struck off the coast of Indonesia. Aftershocks included a quake of 8.8 on the Richter scale, and therefore a tsunami warning was issued, prompting people to move to higher ground. The quake struck the northern tip of Indonesia's Sumatra island at a depth of 20.5 miles. Sally Turner for IB Times TV.
คลื่นยักษ์สึนามิทั้งหมดเนี่ยนะคะมันใช้การได้ทั้งหมดหรือเปล่าคะหรือว่ามีตรงไหนที่อาจจะ